Hello and welcome back to the online class. Today we are going to continue with learning how to write the numbers. The number that we are going to learn today is number 3. So for writing number 3, we are going to use the pre-writing skills that we had practiced earlier. So for writing number 3, the first thing that we have to do is we are going to draw a curve. The first curve will come and end here, and where the first curve will end, we are going to start there the second curve. Slowly we are going to write the second curve as well, and here our 3 is formed. Indicating number 3, here we are going to use the crayons once again. 1, 2 and 3. So 1, 2, 3 indicates the number 3. Now what we are going to do is we have to trace the number. So slowly with the finger we are going to trace it slow. First curve, ending it here in the middle, and then the second curve slowly. Forming the number 3, the activity that we are going to do is with cotton. So with cotton we are going to make these and we are going to fix it on 3. Now I am going to show you how we are going to make out this with the cotton. I am going to take the cotton and then we are going to roll it slowly. So you have to tell your child to roll it slowly. This motion is very important because it is going to help develop the muscles of the hand, which is very important for writing in the later part. So go slow and tell your child to make it slowly. So we are going to slowly roll it. Rolling, we are going to have this. So this one we are going to fix it on 3. Now we will apply glue on number 3. After applying glue on number 3, now the cotton has to be fixed. Slowly, first curve and then the second curve. Fix the cotton on number 3 properly. So our number 3 is ready with the cotton. Next number that we are going to write is number 4. So for writing number 4, we are going to first start with a slanting line from top to bottom, a slanting line, and then from the point where we have stopped the slanting line, we will draw a sleeping line. We'll stop it here and then we will draw a standing line over the sleeping line. So here our number 4 is ready. So for indicating number 4, I have crayons here. 1, 2, 3 and 4. So our number 4 is done. Now we are going to trace the number. Now we will trace number 4. First the slanting line, then the sleeping line, and then the standing line. For making this activity fun, we are going to use matchsticks. So now first we are going to put glue on number 4. After we are done putting on the glue, now we are going to fix our matchsticks on number 4. Slowly, just as the way we have written it, we are going to fix the sticks just like that. First the slanting line, then the sleeping line, and then the standing line. So our 4 is ready with the matchsticks. So always remember one thing, whenever you're doing the activities, do it very slowly so that the child enjoys it. So we are done for today. Enjoy all the activities, practice it at home, and let's make learning fun. Bye.